So hi there, a quick update about Barry and this tank in my hand here that I dropped off at Tom's place a couple of weeks ago. It's a busy workshop. Short update today really, and some stuff that we learned about the tank that I didn't necessarily know, and I think Tom didn't necessarily know at the start. So Tom, let's have a look. What have we got here and what is wrong with this tank? So the original plan was to cut the seams off, get rid of the indent from the BMW logo, and then change the bottom end. So through the process of working on it, what did you find out?
It's aluminium.
So an aluminium tank. For the layman out there, what difference does that actually make?
It's fine. It's just usually when we do sort of aluminium repairs or make panels, we'd weld it from one side and then drag it through from the back side.
Yeah.
You can oxy weld it. I can oxy weld, but we're not allowed it because of the insurance. And that you don't have to drag through. So we could have done that way, but I don't have the equipment to do that. So yeah, we weren't able to drag it through. So we've had to leave a weld bead.
So you can see the weld bead there, and unfortunately, because the metal is so thin that we can't get it as true as we like.
No, I don't want to keep grinding away.
And if we keep grinding, we'll end up with a wafer thing tank.
Yeah.
We have got rid of the BMW logos there, and this shape here has changed a little bit. But unfortunately, this has now become a sacrificial tank, and Tom has very kindly not charged me for this, despite him taking a lot of time and effort to try and make it as perfect as he could. So it looks like we're going to have to get a new tank, a steel one.
Tank could be fine. Yeah, it's a DC. Yeah,
a steel tank. So let's imagine I got a steel tank from not this bike. Recreating this type of shape, how easy or difficult that would be?
Creating that shape.
Yeah, or a homage to this shape.
What? So buy a similar tank and make it look the same. It's possible, but yeah, it's not easy. None of it is.
No. But
makes life a bit easier being steel, just because you can keep the weld much smaller, so we won't have to grind it back.
And something you said to me on the phone, I think, is about the impurities in the aluminium.
Yeah, and also the solder. When I was welding it, the soda's everywhere.
Oh,
so you'd be welding, and then all of a sudden it's just, it just ruins the puddle, and then I've got to clean it back again and run back over it.
Okay.
Yeah. So just keep dragging the stuff out of it. It's a problem.
No, perfect.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much to Tom for having an attempt at this and welcoming me into his garage again. I'm sure we'll have more work from him in the future. And with that, that's just a short update on where we are with Barry.